Hello and welcome back to the Code Street. So today I'm making this video to just let you know that Microsoft has stopped its Copilot subscription for both Pro and Pro Plus. So now you won't be able to use any of its subscription. They said that they are not taking any new requests. So if you continue using that existing subscription, like you have already taken its a subscription and you are paying every month continuously, then it's good for you. For you, no change. But even if you are using earlier, now you stop for some days, let's say 1 month. Now after 20th of April, you try to renew it or get it again, then for you it's stopped. Okay, same thing happened to me. Actually, I was using, but I paused for some 20 days. Yesterday I tried to re-enable, then I got to know this news. I'm wondering why Microsoft has done this. So 1 week back there was a post from Microsoft community itself that now they are going to support the cloud new model in Visual Studio. Okay, now after 1 week they are saying we are pausing everything. So what happened to Microsoft? Is this the beginning of the AI bubbles which going to be burst very soon, or what? I'm just trying to figure out. I can't actually. I try to look a lot of blog post articles, but I cannot figure out the real reason. What is the real reason behind it? Why suddenly they paused? Okay, they're saying to serve existing user better, we are not taking any new request and we are pausing. So it's actually unbelievable that Microsoft doesn't have the AI resources to provide for the new users. So basically everyone is now trying to get as many they can, right? That's what. But why Microsoft has stopped? It's a real worry. Okay, lot of people are running their projects, apps, startups by using the Copilot. They used to get either $10 or $39. Okay, and they use because it's cheap and the best. Okay, the problem with the cloud model, which alternate now we have left with, is they have a lot of rate limiting. Okay, they have weekly rate limit, they have daily rate limit. So if you are continuously using, they will stop you. Okay, you can't do anything. But with the GitHub Copilot, this kind of limitation we didn't have that much. The another problem with the cloud is they have two plans. Okay, one $20 and including tax and all that will come around 24. Okay, $24. Other one is $100. Okay, there is no plan in between. Many of us can pay $100 unless you are running a serious startup or serious project. Okay, for kind of hobbyist learner, we can't pay that much amount every month, right? That's what I wanted to just share with you. Okay, if you find anything the reason behind why they pause, just please write below in the comment box so other user can know what happened. Okay, that's all for today. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.